Alright, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Holden Cruze CD sedan, stock reference number 5227. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2011. It is a Z20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Z20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, has 2 small dents, chrome radiator grille, front bumper cover, light little scratches on the front of it, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror has very light scuff on the outside edge, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.